Hi, I'm putting together some final touches to our time together with Dream with God. Now, if you haven't set up plans and goals, or maybe you have and they just didn't work out, I get it. I totally get you. I don't want you to worry about that. Listen, we're headed into October, November, December, and that means that the end of the year is coming in that let's finish strong. Let's see what God wants to co labor with us on, and let's partner with Him to make an impact. So, if you're excited about the end of the year and finishing the fourth quarter strong, I want to invite you to join us today for Dream with God. Head on over to melissaschultzministries.com /dream with God. Hope to see you today.